Your Moodle profile might be something you fill in so that other people can see who you are or know a little more about you. Be aware that any changes made to your Moodle profile will not change details in MIDS systems. Any formal name or email changes will need to involve Student Services and IT. To edit your profile, start by being signed in to Moodle. Click on your name in the top right corner, then select Profile. Some information is already populated, like user details and courses. From here, go straight to Edit Profile. This will make editable fields available. One of the first things you might change is the visibility of your email so that fellow classmates or everyone can see it. You could also adjust your city, country, or time zone if any of those need to be changed. Next, adding a photo can help personalize your profile. You can drag and drop a photo here or double-click the upload arrow and browse your computer to find a file. Finish up by adding alt text to the picture description box. Other details that can be edited include information about your name, interests, and other options like institutional details and your pronouns, which can clarify unisex or unfamiliar names as well as communicate gender identity. Once you've finished making all of the changes you want, click Update Profile. Verify that all of the changes you made are acceptable, including spelling and maybe the appearance of your profile photo. If you have any questions about Moodle, feel free to reach out to the help desk.